I've made some new mini friends. Would you like to meet them? Come on. This is Chuckles the seagull. He's got such a loud squawk. He's a big fan of Mo's drawings. I think it's because they look like tasty bugs.
Mo! Draw Chuckles!
All right. But watch out. He'll try to steal your lunch if you're not careful. Some pigeons have moved into town. I love the way they coo. Coo, coo. I think they've been talking to Chuckles because that one wanted to steal Posy's gingerbread. Looking high, looking low, here I go! We met an amazing toad when we were playing hide and seek.
A toad! Ew, lumpy.
Oh, you know his name? I don't think they wanted to be found. They were quite grumpy.
He needs to hop quicker if he wants to catch a fly.
Frogs hop, toads walk.
Like this. Blub, blub, blub. I know. Let's have a frogs versus toads race.
They might also be jealous of the frogs that have moved into the park. Frogs can hop, while toads have to waddle on the ground. That one even joined the game as a sea monster.
It's the sea monster! Quick, sail away!
I've noticed some caterpillars having lunch in the trees. Those leaves must be super scrummy. The buzzy bees have been around too. Look, it's drinking nectar. They work so hard collecting their nectar.
Oh, I like being a bee. Oh, in fact, I'm the queen bee.
But I think my mini friends are extraordinary. See how many mini friends you can make.